Hi everyone, and welcome to my bedroom. Now, like me, I'm sure many of you can relate to the couple in the beginning. It's called sleep disordered breathing, and it's really common. The muscles that support our upper airway are just relaxing a little bit too much when we're falling asleep, and the result is a whole lot of snoring and sleep apnea, which is not only really bad for our health, but it also puts a great deal of strain on our relationships with all the snoring and noise and the disturbed sleep. So, how do we fix it? Well, let's head over to the bedside table and I'm going to show you. Now, this little device here is called a CPAP machine. And a CPAP machine creates what we call positive airway pressure. And this forces air down into our lungs, opening up our airway. And the result is a beautiful, quiet, peaceful, restful sleep for you and your partner, free from any snoring and sleep apnea. Now, these machines are really easy to use. You really just need to pick up your mask, put it on, start breathing, and then the machine will automatically start providing that positive airway pressure. It's then going to regulate the pressure throughout the night based on how you're breathing. So if you're having any snoring, any sleep disordered breathing, sleep apnea, the machine's going to adjust the pressure in order to treat that. All right, let's do it. Just pull the mask over my head. Start breathing. And it's on. So you can hear that air pressure coming through. When you're finished, you can just take it off and you're good for the day. How easy is that? Now, normally if you want to trial CPAP therapy for yourself, it's a super long and expensive drawn out process with a lot of doctor's appointments, specialist appointments, hospital visits, and it's just really hard work. But we've changed all that and made it so you can go online, sign up in about 5 minutes, and within a couple of days, you're going to have a beautiful CPAP therapy package delivered to your door, ready to use straight out of the box, and you can start trying CPAP therapy in your own home to see what it does for you and your relationships. So if you're struggling with your sleep and you're just feeling unrefreshed during the day, you're feeling tired, your partner says you're snoring or you're stopping breathing over night time, and you just don't feel right, then it's definitely worth trialing CPAP therapy to see what it can do for you. It's only $69 a month, all inclusive, so that's for all your gear, your mask, everything you need for a great night's sleep. And you can literally set it up in 2 seconds. I can guarantee you're going to have the best night's sleep ever. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Check out remsleep.com.au for more information and our frequently asked questions sections. And we've also got some great tutorial videos over there as well. Have a great day. Happy Father's Day to all you great dads out there. And yeah, all the best.